guys? Today we're going to be doing the exhaust on our 2019 Camry XSE. So we're getting to the exhaust shop. I'm going to show before and after. This is the 4-cylinder Camry, so it's not the regular, it's not the V6. As you can see, it has quad exhaust. Now the thing about Toyota is that the inner exhaust is fake. It's literally welded. The one on the outer one's welded on, so there's nothing going through. So it's literally just 2 pipes. So that's the regular exhaust. Now we're going to be putting a quad tip. So it's going to have an axle back exhaust, and we're going to see how it looks, or how it sounds. Oh snap. Get around that. As you can see, that Geneis picks up real nice. Pushing about 17-18 pounds of boost. It's pretty quick. Today, this is a JPG exhaust. So if you guys want to get your exhaust on, they do some really good exhaust work here. If you guys come here, we know them for time. They did it on all our cars. They do a really good job. So yeah, JPG exhaust there in Oakville. So how much you want it done? Like, what are you getting done on it?
Getting a muffler delete on it and getting a new tips. It's gonna be a bit bigger.
Are you getting blue tips or you know?
It's gonna be a regular chrome.
I was gonna go with blue tips.
Blue tips doesn't look nice with black.
No,
it doesn't look nice.
Yeah, start up. That's not bad actually. That is fucking nice. God, it sounds nasty. You guys can tell that sounds really good. Alright, let's go inside the car and go for a bit of a drive.
Actually sounds so...
Alright, so this is the in-cabin test. We're gonna see how it sounds inside with the windows up and everything, as you guys can see.
Here's that crackle?
Yeah, it sounds pretty nice. Oh, ERS right there. So yeah, that's the exhaust. This is the 2.5 liter Camry. This is the 4-cylinder. So it's not the V6, and it still sounds pretty nice. Has the quad tips and everything. It sounds pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it. It sounds really nice. I didn't expect it to sound this nice on the V4.
On a 4-cylinder, like damn.
Yeah.
But still, that's pretty good.
For the inline 4.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. You'll see more videos in the future. We're gonna do this car versus, you know, another car in terms of exhaust sound. But yeah, it sounds pretty nice. Anyways, see you then.